Hi guys, so I have received the question whether it's possible to select line by color, not by layer or whatnot. So we have a certain layer where we have all the line work, which is separated in different colors. Is there a way to select just this specific color? So to do that, we're gonna utilize the command called advanced select. So first of all, we're going to select the layer, all the objects on that layer. So we highlight all the objects on that layer. Obviously we do not see it because I had it turned off. Technically I can just turn on that layer in window it and select it, but this way I'm sure that everything on that layer is selected. Then I'm going to go to my advanced select, which is under your home tab, and under advanced select I'm gonna use current selection, multiple data types, and data with the following property, and I'm gonna select color and equals, and I'm gonna pick the color. If you know which color, you can pick it from the drop down list. If you are unsure, you can just click in here and click on the line, let's say this one. It will pick the color of that line, then you hit apply, and only the entities with that color 761533 are selected, and only on the layer 3DFGO. So if you need to rename that or whatever, relayer it, now you can go to the properties and do that. Hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe, check out our blog, hit the bell, and we'll see you next video.